Well, just wanted to do a little update video on that deer feeder. I have another video of some Academy deer feeders. They do pretty good. I've actually had some problems with them though. But this homemade one, as you can see in another one of my videos, has been coming on 6 years and is still going strong. And what else is, it's just got I just put this basic Moultrie feeder head on it, and it is doing good, really good. I come out here, this thing is always working. Pretty impressed also just with the little 6-volt alkaline pile Rayovac battery that I have in here. I'll just give you guys a look of that real quick. Man, that thing has been, I think I changed it out probably 6 months ago, and it's still registering as being 100%. Now, it's not the fanciest feeder. I don't have a varmint cage on here because it's got a little one kind of built on. But the motor quality, this thing's been throwing corn now for 6 years and still going strong. And it wasn't that expensive. Hey, Luna, get over here. Dog's gonna be scaring all the game off. But anyway, just wanted to give you guys that little update. This was a real simple oil fill pipe, some plates that I cut, and it's just really doing a great job. It's going really good. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you've thought of in the comments, what your experience has been with feeders. And thanks for watching again, and until next time, we'll see you guys.